This is our fireworks. There's a big one. Here, Uncle. Can you hold on to this?
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. No, there's lots.
Here, can you? It's on record already. So.
Okay. Do your thing. Stay out of the way. Light another one over there, Braden. There you go. That's nothing too big.
Yeah, that's nothing too crazy. Flaming outhouse did nothing, man. This is the piece of crap flaming outhouse. Woo! 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 That was crazy. Oh. That was scary. That flaming outhouse sucks. It just started on fire. Here comes a big one. Whoa! We got a malfunction. Oh, great. Oh! Holy shit! Holy... Oh, that's loud. Holy shit! Major malfunction, just popped my eardrum majorly. Oh, that hurt, man. It's just like... Ah! Here, can I light some after this? Whoa! Let's go here.
One right there. Actually, light that one.
Yeah.
And then light that one. There you go. That's it.
Here comes the one now. That was cool. Man, those horses must be scared. They must be like, what the hell's going on out here? That's technically just a flare. Little flare. Oh. We got Singing the Blues here.
Holy shit!
That was loud. Oh.
That's the water, guys.
That's it?
Yeah.
I think we got some over here, don't we? Oh, a little more over here.
Burnt out.
Yeah, that's all, folks.
No, that's it.
That's all, folks.